Hello my dear students, this is your biology teacher Shivani Dikshit, and today we are going to understand the next term related to the mode of conduction of minerals in the plants, and the term is diffusion obviously. In the easy term, if we will try to understand what is the meaning of diffusion, so we will get it in easy term means to spread, to scatter, to move here and there freely, right? In this term, diffusion, we will understand three things. First is what is the daily life examples of the diffusion, what is the definition of the diffusion, second point, and the third point is the experiment with the example of the significance in the plants of diffusion. So we will have to keep these 3 points in the mind. Then after, let's move on. What is diffusion? If we talk about its definition, then in easy term we will say that it is the free movement of the molecules of various substances, and definitely this substance is in the form of solid, liquid or gas, right? From the reason of the higher concentration means the crowded area of the any part, solid, liquid or gas, to the reason of the lower concentration where the crowd of the molecules is below, low, right? So concentration when the two are in direct contact. We will also discuss about the direct contact of the molecules, as we know that in the form of liquid or solid or gases, two type of concentrations are connected directly. So this is the phenomena is called diffusion. Let's take the daily life example of the diffusion. We will observe the best example of the diffusion. Daily we wear perfume, right? Before going outside, when we dressed well, we apply perfume on the clothes, on body, spray will be there. So we have observed what? When this perfume bottle is pressed and one spray will be there in one corner, and the fragrance, the good smell of that perfume, volatile perfume molecules move in the surrounding of over all the room, right? And it is spread freely wherever the reach of the molecules will take place. This is the first example of the daily life observance. Second daily life example is that if we keep a worshipping stick, we are doing worship at our home and there will be the worshipping stick or worshipping candle, we keep in the one corner, and its smoke of good fragrance will continuously spread surrounding all over the area covered by it. So that fragrance, that good fragrance will reach to us from anywhere of the corner. The next example of the daily life observance is also one glass of water, and in that we will have to pour some sugar and then stir it well. When we mix the water with the sugar, then what happens, guys? Guess. After 1 or 2 minutes, when the sugar will be mixed in that solution, that will sweet in taste. That water will be converted into the sweet water. That is the diffusion. And the last example, you have observed that we will keep the mortine coil in one corner, or we will burn the fast card in our one corner. The smoke of that coil or fast card will be spread over the all room. This is the good example of the spread of the molecules in the free, means the molecules move freely anywhere. That process is known as the diffusion, right? Let's understand its example with the help of experiment. We have taken here the KMNO4 crystals. Why we have taken this KMnO4 crystals in the liquid solution? Because we have to form a homogeneous solution and it will form a equal color to that homogeneous solution. Gradually, this KMnO4 crystals start spreading color surrounding the water or liquid. So what happens? These molecules or crystal of the KMnO4 gradually spreading, and then at the last beaker, these molecules of KMnO4 are in the liquid. They totally uniformly making the solution of homogeneous in color, right? So this is the process or experiment showing the process of phenomena that is called diffusion. If we will take the question that what is the significance of this diffusion process in the plants, then we will have to understand that in plants, by this diffusion process, one major phenomena take place that is called transpiration. And transpiration is the loss of water in the form of vapor. Loss of water vapor in the form of vapor through the stomata takes place is called diffusion. Right? This is the structure of stomata. It is a small microscopic opening present in the epidermis of the leaf, and it is very much helpful in the gaseous exchange as well as diffusion process. So this is the water in the form of vapor. It is releasing the vapor from the stomata. By which phenomena it is conducting? That is the phenomena called diffusion, right? Second significance or importance is exchange of gases during photosynthesis and respiration. As we know that plants do photosynthesis process, manufacturing of the food by itself, and also respiration. So they require the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide as well in the both processes. So we will understand that during the photosynthesis process and respiration process, exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen will take place by the phenomena is called diffusion. Clear this thing? And the last point is very interesting point is that in the flowers, here I have drawn the rose flower, you have smelled it. It is having a very nice aroma. That aroma is spread here and there surrounding the garden due to this phenomena that is known as diffusion. Aroma is called the nice smell or good smell of the plants. We have lots of other aromatic substances in the plants, like mint is having a different type of aroma, right? And rose is having a different type of aroma. If we talk about the tulsi plant, then it is having the leaves with different type of aroma. So this aromatic compound is spreading, is diffusing here and there in the atmosphere by the process that is known as diffusion. I hope I am very much clear. Three things you have to keep in your mind: definition of diffusion, free movement of molecule in the form of water, liquid, solid or gas, freely without any membrane or without any hindrance from the higher concentration to the lower concentration, right? And second thing is that daily life examples. We have observed daily the perfume bottle when open, sugar is added in a water, good night fast card or morning coil will be burned. If we burn worshipping candle or worshipping stick, then the diffusion process we will easily observe. And the last significance of diffusion: loss of water in the form of vapor. Second is gases exchange due to photosynthesis and respiration. And last, smell or aroma will be spread here and there due to the process diffusion. That's all for the day. Have a nice day. Keep watching. Stay tuned. Stay safe. Keep studying at your home. Thank you and have a nice day.